Good evening, it's Dave at All Important Reviews. Thanks for checking out my channel. Please smash that subscribe button and please hit that like button. I've got another unboxing of a watch that I have wanted for some time because I did originally have the version 1 and I stupidly sold it. I stupidly sold the watch. However, this is the version 3. Now, interestingly, can you guess what it is? Oh yeah, SN017. I love how they come in these cases. One sec. Wow. So this is the spare strap that I'll never ever use because I absolutely despise NATO or canvas straps or anything like that. Resizing tools, spring bars, SN017 warranty card. Wow. Nice. Really, really nice. But this is what we really care about. Let's have a look. Trying to get it off. Wow. That is a beauty. That is an absolute beauty. One sec. Wow, that is an absolute beaut. Absolute beaut. Really well packaged. Stainless steel oyster style bracelet. These have the 4mm thick links. 4mm thick. That is pretty thick, and I'm going to see how it feels on the wrist soon. A nice big heavy duty clasp with push button and swing arms deployant. That is beautiful. Wow. Feels great. Doesn't feel too top heavy. Gorgeous blue colour. And I'm just looking now at the blue. The blue is nice and it doesn't have too much purple in it. Let's take off the sticker. I'll sort this out after the video, but I'm terrible at taking stickers off, unfortunately. Absolutely crap at taking stickers off. Wow, that's pretty gorgeous. They chose to do it an all brushed bracelet instead of doing it center polished. The center polished bracelets very, very quickly scratch, so I suppose it's a positive, although I do think visually it looks better with a center polished link on this particular model, because this is obviously a homage to the Rolex Smurf, which I believe is actually discontinued and is actually a white gold model. This obviously is not white gold. Just says the automatic 200-meter water resist. Oh, I'll just go through the. Oh, that feels really, really good. That feels better than Pagani's, definitely. That feels really good. That bezel, ceramic bezel, obviously. That feels really nice. I'll just go through the specs dead quick. 40mm nominal. I think it's 40.5mm. Sapphire crystal. Obviously ceramic blue bezel, but you can get it in green or black or two tones. Fully milled and machined stainless steel bracelet in the Rolex style, the oyster style, with a heavy duty deployant swing double lock clasp with push buttons to make it really easy to open. That's easier than the Rolex to open. The clasp has a lot of micro adjusts. I think that's 6 micro adjusts. With a suitable branding, it has a nice logo on the front, San Martin logo. And I think it's about 12.5mm thick, so quite thin. I'll double check the stats after this video. And there'll be a full review on the channel shortly. If you want to pick it up, there is a link, an affiliate link down below where I make a bit of profit at no extra cost to you if you do choose to buy from there. They have actually, this is, I believe, the SN017 version 3. I have the version 1 with a different clasp. The version 3 has come out, they've actually released a version 4, which they're calling the SN019. And the SN019 is essentially the same watch, but with a different bracelet. It has only 3mm thick links, I believe, or thinner links, but it has the gliding lock clasp, similar to the real Rolex Submariner. But it is very expensive. I think it's about 250 to 300 quid, if not more, which is why I'm not going to buy it until they drop the price on that. Because you can buy a gliding lock model off other manufacturers, off AliExpress, for a lot cheaper, like Carliwet, that does the job. But anyway, I don't think it would be compatible with this particular watch, but unless you buy the San Martins. But anyway, yeah, the full review will be on the channel soon. Thanks for checking out this video. Nice one. Ta.